about, on the subject of, concerning, above, in or to a higher place. Across, from one side to the other of something. Act, to do something, to perform an action. Action, the process of doing something. Activity, something that is done for enjoyment, often organized. Add, to combine two or more numbers or quantities. Afraid, feeling fear or anxiety. After, following in time, at a later time. Again, one more time, another time. Against, in opposition to something or someone. Age, the number of years that someone has lived. Ago, in the past, before the present time. Agree, to have the same opinion as someone. Air, the invisible gas that surrounds the earth, which people and animals breathe. All, the whole of something. Allow, to permit something to happen. Almost, nearly, but not quite. Alone, without other people. Along, in a line next to something long, e.g., a road. Already, before now, or earlier than expected. All right, acceptable or satisfactory. Also, in addition to. Always, at all times, on every occasion. Am, the first person singular present form of be. Amount, the total sum of something. In, an indefinite article used before singular nouns beginning with a vowel sound. And, used to connect words, phrases, or clauses. Animal, a living organism that feeds on organic matter and typically has senses and a nervous system. Another, one more, a different one. Answer, a reply to a question or problem. Any, one or some of a thing, no matter how much or how many. Anyone, any person or anybody. Anything, used to refer to a thing, no matter what. Appear, to become visible or noticeable. Apple, a round fruit with red, green, or yellow skin. Area, a particular part of a space or surface. Arm, the upper limb of the human body, from shoulder to hand. Around, located on every side or along the boundary of something. Arrive, to reach a destination. Art, creative expression, such as painting, sculpture, or music. Ask, to request information from someone. It, expressing location or time. Attack, to try to hurt or damage something or someone. Attention, notice, thought, or interest given to something. Autumn, the season between summer and winter. Away, to or at a distance from a place, person, or thing.